Alright, hello YouTube land. I'm not sure anybody actually cares about this stuff, but I kind of do, so I decided I'd make a video about it, and if anybody else wants to watch it or find out, that's cool. Alright, so what's my question? I know from reading at Goal Zero, you put on the inverter, and this is a Yeti 400, and it starts to draw a little bit of power. Now, obviously the inverter starts working and the battery has to power that. But is that amount of power consistent when you start using it? So what I'm going to do is I'm plugging in the charger for my Sherpa 100. And yeah, I ran that down a little bit just so I could do this little experiment today. And you can see there that it's down about halfway or so, approximately. And I will plug in the wall charger. See if I can do this one-handed since I'm actually holding my camera, my cell phone, and it is charging. You can see the little blinking there, hopefully. And it is drawing 51 watts. Now I know from Goal Zero's literature that you can only charge a Sherpa 100, I believe it is 45 watts an hour. And this thing is registering 51. Maybe about 50-ish, 51. So there's obviously at least a 6-watt difference between what is being taken out of the Yeti battery versus what's going into the Sherpa. But is it only 6 watts? Or is there maybe a little bit more being drawn out of the battery? So the only way I could kind of answer that, since the Sherpa, the Sherpa does not show me how much power is going into it, I thought I'd let this stabilize for a little bit. I think it's enough. It lets me know what's going on. I am now going to plug the same charger into the wall and plug it into my Yeti. And see if it's giving me a full 45 watts or is it giving me something less. Now obviously I'm making the assumption that going from the wall into the Yeti is giving the same output as the Yeti into the Sherpa. But if that is consistent, and I don't see a reason why it wouldn't be consistent, I'm not getting 45 watts, I'm only getting 37 watts into the Yeti, and I'm assuming that's the same into the Sherpa. So the difference between 37 and 51 isn't 6, folks. 14. Anyways, if anybody else found this interesting, it is to me. Bye-bye.